Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Suzette. In today's video, I will be doing DIY napkin rings. For the first DIY, I will use a shower curtain ring and some gold cards. I will wrap and glue the gold cards around the shower curtain ring to make the napkin ring. Here's a close-up view of it. To finish off this napkin ring, I will glue this white flower onto the ring and I will add a glass gem in the middle of the flower. This is what it looks like on the plate with the napkin in it. How gorgeous is that? Let me know what you think about it in the comments section. For this second idea, I am using this piece of wire and some pearls. I will also be adding 2 gemstones to it as well. Thank you guys for your support. It really means a lot to me. Just in case if you missed it, my name is Suzette. I share towel decorating art and easy DIYs with you, so go ahead and subscribe if you like these types of things. Turn on the notification bell so you should be notified when I upload a new video. Leave a comment to let me know what you think about this video. And don't forget to share with other people as well. And this is what the pearl napkin looks like with a napkin in it. For the third DIY, I am using 2 shower curtain rings that I glued together, some diamond wraps, and I will also be putting some gems as well. Unfortunately, I don't have more footage of the third DIY. I thought I was recording, but I was not recording. But this is what it looks like. This is how it stays with the napkin in it on the plate. Let me know which one of these napkin rings you liked best. Was it number 1, number 2, or number 3? Or was it all of them? Leave your comments down below letting me know. You can also go ahead and share this video with your families and your friends. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you should never miss out on any new videos.